week I host a video right here at Stokley Garden Express, and you guys get to see all the different plants and products that they have here. And I never really stop and talk to you guys about why I love this garden center so much. You may not know that Stokley Garden Express grows so much of what they sell in their retail garden center. If you're in the Midtown location and that's where you shop, you probably don't know that they have a very large facility out here in Sims, Alabama, where I am standing right now in their Sims retail location. But behind me is a huge wholesale nursery where they grow a huge amount of what they sell in their retail garden centers. And what's so great about that is that you know it's going to grow here. You can be guaranteed that if they're growing it in their greenhouses, that it will grow at your home as long as you're putting the right plant in the right place. Of course, they've got really great customer service, and the people who work here are super knowledgeable about their plants. But also, I know there's a lot of contractors who are watching me right now, landscape contractors, and you guys should know, if you don't already, that they are a wholesale nursery and will sell to landscape contractors. If you're a residential person that is shopping for your plant list, like I do my plans and put together a plant list for my clients, and you can just come here and take your shopping list and they can cover all of it. So for all of those reasons, you should be using at least local garden centers, but of course I love Stokley Garden Express because they have even so much more to offer. As far as I know, it is the only local retail garden center that actually has a wholesale component and a larger end component that they can pull. So that if you're in the Midtown location and there's something that you can't find or something that they've run out of, they can just come out to their wholesale nursery, pull it from the greenhouse, and have it for you the next day. So for all those reasons, I love it. I know this is gushing and it's probably more of a commercial than it is anything else, but I just wanted to stop for a moment and talk about why I love Stokley Garden Express so much and the garden center, so that you can love it too. All right, y'all go shop at Stokley's. It's a good place to be.